I want to thank God for this program of milk and medicine. This program is a good program. I pray to God that this program may be blessed because it has helped me very much. I had this, my granddaughter, from when she was born. The mother was very sick, but from this program, this baby has been brought up with a health life. She is very healthy. She is being helped by this program. So I have even have this project. They have given me this project of making these little bags. These bags are for going and for getting money in it, the money which they help our children. So I have been making these bags for some time now. I want to thank God for this project because it has helped me to pay for my grandchildren's school fees, children buying things at home, even for the house rents. These bags have helped me so much. So I want to thank God for this program of milk and medicine. I pray to my God that this program may go ahead because it is so helpful. I want to thank even the coordinators. We work with them in a good way. They are so good, they are so loving, they are so cheerful. So I want to thank God for everything.